Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PACB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today was a very nice move. I mean, when you consider where the price was going into today, and then the price closed way up there, I would assume any rational person would say, yeah, the price did indeed have a very solid day. But that does lead to the logical question, is this the start of something bigger? Is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single point, and that point is down here at $3.35. Why is $3.35 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that if this is the start of something bigger, then the price is going to keep on getting bigger. Or in other words, the price is going to make progress forward. It's going to keep on progressing and progressing and progressing. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if this is the start of something bigger, the price is not going to, or the price is going to get bigger and not go back to where it was, because that would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 335. Any sort of closes below it, or worse enough, the price separates to the downside. What would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of this range that it just broke out of. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas something like this happens, not saying it will, but let's say there's actually a pretty drastic pullback, and then the price does something like this. But even after a drastic pullback like that, what would you still have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this previous base of lows down there. If you picture each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction, and that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to make progress forward, and in this case, I'm defining and quantifying the statement make progress as 335. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, I'm not even going to talk about those right now because, in my opinion, breaking levels of resistance, not a top priority. Top priority for the chart right now is just go through healthy consolidations and build those higher bases, because as long as higher bases are being built, the long-term chart will take care of itself. So no doubt about it, very nice move today. So when things transition to the question now of can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward, we shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.